Hi, this is a quick video into showing how to turn a whitefire lens cross car line Land Rover console into a sunglass bin console. The basic modifications you need to do this. As you can see, whitefire lens in a frame. If you turn it over to the B surface, you can see the two clip points. All you need to do to take this lens out is to push the frame in this direction and pull it out, and the clip leg should drop below the surface, and just to do the same on the other side and it will become free. Second thing you need to do, sorry about that, second thing you need to do then is take a Stanley knife or pen knife or some kind of knife. And what you will see is there are two little ribs either side and this central one. And what you need to do is to cut these off so they're flush, the same as a as you can see, they're flush, there's no excess material there. This is a sunglass bin console, but that is the only difference in the frames whatsoever. See, there is no lug there. As there is just there. So cut that, take that off, and take that one off. When they're cut off, you'll have a frame similar to this, which doesn't have any lugs. The only thing they do is stop the sunglass bin door from travelling upwards and stop the whitefire lens from going out. So the next thing you need to do is, if you take a sunglass bin console frame, is take the damper, the little black cogwheel, find the recess for it, which is here. It assembles from the outside in. So if you put the bottom clip in so it locates, and then once that's located correctly, if you turn it over, you can tease the other clip into position and then just push it in. It doesn't matter which way it goes round, and then you should be able to take it fitted correctly because it will sit flush to the frame and square with no gap in between this and that, this and the frame itself. This and the frame itself, sorry. If there is, you can just push on the clip and it will come back out, and then you just do the reverse to get it back in again. What we do in the mass production of the part, sorry, what we do in the mass production of the part, well, saying it's easy, just a bit tricky. I've got big thumbs. Right, let's click back in again. What we've done in mass production is to add some, it's more than safe as it is. If you want to go the extra mile, what we've done in production is we've added glue, or some hot melt glue, just to, after it's clips fitted, if you put some hot melt glue around the quadrant of the damper, then you find that there's no way that it can come out at all. So if you've got hot melt glue, it's worth doing. And the other thing you need to do is just assemble the latch, which is on the other video, where it shows to assemble the sunglass bin door into it. But basically you take the latch, I always do it through the A-face, it's just easier, and then just locate it in the offside hole, little hole there, and just clip it in position and just make sure it rotates. Okay. Thank you very much. Any issues, give me a call or drop me a line. Bye.